Hello, welcome to another video of ours. In this video, we are going to share our experience along with some helpful tips and answers that you might be looking for before booking and traveling by LCR. These tips will help you save time, energy, and money. These will also help you plan your trip better without much hassles. I have also added my blog link in the description below, where you can read more about booking a train ticket with LCR. Vientiane Railway Station is around 15 kilometers from Vientiane city center. A taxi takes around 30 minutes to reach the railway station and can cost around $20. We booked our taxi through our hotel as Uber or Gojek does not work here, but there are other alternatives like inDrive, Loca, tuk-tuk, local taxis, etc. You are advised to reach the airport at least an hour in advance. Because of security checking process, the queue can be long sometimes. Also, the security process is pretty thorough. Once you reach the railway station, at the main entrance, you are required to show your passport and train ticket QR code. There are no separate queues for foreigners and locals. Once you pass through the entrance, you have to go through the security check. Just like at an airport security, you will also see a sign of items allowed or not. Here they will scan the luggage and passengers have to go through metal detectors. The search here could be pretty thorough though. Once you are cleared, you enter the waiting area. Here you can have some snacks and explore around. They do not have free Wi-Fi there, but you can get free Wi-Fi from the shops. There are other facilities like washrooms, waiting chairs, snacks, etc. Names of the train, their departure time, and platform numbers are displayed on the big screen in different languages. 10 to 20 minutes before the train departure, everybody needs to form a queue to enter platform before boarding the train. There is a separate queue for VIPs and business class passengers. Once you are on the platform, you can see the carriage number displayed on each bogie, which is quite helpful in finding the right bogie. There is a luggage area and washroom near the door of the car. The toilets are sitting Asian style, but might not have tissue papers. Inside the car, the seats are quite comfortable and the train ride is also very quiet. You can also buy snacks and drinks on board. The train passes through some of the most beautiful natural landscapes of Laos. Once you get down at Luang Prabang, you can either book a taxi for around $10 to $15, or you can use shared minibuses that charge you around $2 to $4 to drop you at your hotel. If you liked our video, forget not to like and subscribe so that we can reach out to more people like you who might find this helpful as well.